Okay, welcome back to the shop. Today on the bench, we have this, looks to be well, it is brand new, Rawlings VISE series 13.5-inch slow pitch glove. So it always amazes me, some of these guys pull this thing's look like kind of like the tag on here. You know, this is an older glove. I don't know if it's 5 years old or 10 years old, but it's definitely, you can't buy these anymore because I look for it online. It amazes me. Some of these guys just come up with these gloves and they're still brand new, never been used. And I like this glove a lot. I mean, I actually looked on eBay. I'm gonna buy one. I found one with ink marking on, which I won't buy that, but it's not a bad glove. I like the way it feels. I think this is gonna break in real nice. And yeah, I'm excited about this one. So you know the deal. We're gonna do some hot water here right behind me. It's gonna be about 120 some degrees. And then we're gonna do 3 rounds on the bench with the mallets. And then when we're done, we're gonna condition it with Maven glove balm. And we're gonna get this back in the mail and back to the owner. Let's spin the camera around, let's get going. $124, I'm okay with that. Okay, we're gonna say round 1 is complete. Again, got that flap, got that snap. All right, we're gonna spin the camera back down on the bench. We're gonna put a block in here, throw it in front of the fan, let it relax for a little bit. We'll come back a couple hours and see how we're doing. Okay, we're back. We're going to pull our block, turn the fan off. Block it out. Okay, trying up nice. Look at that. Got our nice dual hinge. I got the pocket pushed all the way to the back there. Slapping. We're snapping. We're in good shape. Okay, we're going to do a little bit more mallet work here on the bench and 2 more rounds, then we'll do the conditioner piece and get this back in the mail. Let's go. Okay. I think we're good. That's round 2. And you know, the more I play with this thing, the more I like this glove. Again, this is probably an older glove. I don't know when it was made, but man, it's designed for 2 in the pinky. I'm a 2 in the pinky kind of guy, so I hold the glove like this, and really get you a lot more control over the glove by doing 2 in the pinky. It kind of forces you to go pinky to thumb like that. And let me tell you something. This thing is working fantastic. I'm gonna go buy that one I found on eBay, like I was sharing. It's got some ink markings on there, because it's a neat glove. Definitely like it. All right, let's point the camera back down, block it, put it in front of the fan, come back in a couple hours. Okay, back at it, round 3. Pull our block out. Okay, nice dual hinge. Obviously closing pinky to thumb. Good slap. Excellent snap. Okay, we're gonna do just a few more minutes here. Some mallets, and then we're gonna do the conditioning. And we get this back in the mail. Let's go. Okay, I think we've achieved what we needed to achieve. We have a nice dual hinge. We're closing real nice. Slaps real nice. Snaps excellent. We're gonna move right to conditioning. Close this out. Okay, we completed another one. Take a look at this one. This is a Rawlings VISE 13.5 inch. It's VSB135. Designed to be a 2 in the pinky glove. This thing, pretty slick. I really like it. No joke. Okay, let's take a good look at it. It came in for a break-in service. Again, we got a nice dual hinge. I really deepened that pocket there. Got some conditioner sitting in here, so I'm going to set up. Flapping. This thing snaps excellent. Pretty good glove, not gonna lie. Okay, appreciate you sticking around to the very end. If you have any questions or comments, drop them below and I'll get back to you just as soon as I can. If you want to get your glove on the bench, visit mavenglovebalm.com. Go to the services section. At the very bottom of that services page, there's a service request form. Complete that, get a click on the link, complete that. When you submit, you'll get an appointment number, an appointment date, shipping address, where to ship us your glove, and then we'll get you on the bench, shoot a video, get it back to you. You'll be back on the field in no time. That's it for now. Appreciate you sticking around to the very end. We'll see you next time.